So they have your key cards right here. Alrighty, so you just put your card up here. Oh my goodness. Well, this is very nice. Just tuck. Let's see if there are lights. Oh, I bet you have to put your, you do. You have to put your key card in here for the lights to work. So that's pretty common, at least it's in Princess. I think it helps them save on electricity. So here we are. This is your standard veranda cabin here on Holland, America. I'm gonna see the beautiful view here. Whoops, it is port. Sorry, everyone. Oh, look at that, Vancouver. Oh, and so rather than a sliding door, it is just an open door. Alrighty, and then you push open here. Oh, look. I think the balcony is just about the same as it is on Princess. Look at the beautiful day here in Vancouver. This is just a bonus with the cabin tour here. So there are 2 chairs and a little table. Alrighty, so as a standard, like I said, you need to have your key card in the little slot here for the lights to work. Here's the main cabin, but right when you come in on the right hand side here is the restroom. And they do have the glass shower doors, which is really nice. And I know this is going to make everyone smile, but I am so excited that they have the Elemis brand of shampoo, conditioner, and shower gel. So I'll tell you what I think, because I have some of their skincare and I really like it. And then we've got soap and lotion. It is a really small bathroom counter here, but that's okay. The mirror is very nice. Gives good light as well as the overhead light. Here's some nice shelves to put all of your things, and then down below here it's nice that there's, if you need to set something down, as well as the trash, and right over here. So this is a nice bathroom, very nice. So this is a very nice shower. It is plenty big. The glass shower doors and the wobble holes. Right there, the door is glass as well as the side. I just wanted to show you. I think that's something that's very nice. No shower curtain and just a nice big shower there. Okay, I just wanted to add one more thing to the room tour here. I just wanted to point out again that yes, this is a smaller counter, but you know what? Look at the size of the shower. I just showed it to you a few minutes ago when I was doing this, but look how much more space there is. There we go. See? Isn't that nice? Look at that. And this is just a standard veranda cabin. So just thought I would show you that, to take note of that. That's just lovely. A lot of people ask about the shower size. This is really plenty big. It's got somewhere to hold on there if you need to hold on. A couple of places, another one right there. It's just great. So thought I would show you this really quick. And then once again, what a beautiful cabin. And then directly across is the closet. And so there's, let me show you. It's kind of, here's where you would hang some of your clothing. It's really nice. They give you a couple of pool towels there, as well as an umbrella if you have inclement weather, as well as a place to hang up your, you know, skirts or pants, slacks. And then here's some shelves. And then here's some more drawers down below here. I'll open one and whoops, there's drawers, and then There's your refrigerator. And right up here is your safe and your robes. Then right here, I'll show you from the other side as well, but here's some glasses. And I would say that my room steward was so kind. As soon as he saw me coming down the hall, he said, I will bring you some ice. And indeed, he just brought ice and introduced him. And there are 2 stewards that you get to have here on Holland, America. And here's your extra couple of blankets. That's a lovely touch. I remember when we went to Alaska the first and second times on Princess, they had those nice blankets available in our cabin, and our room steward was so kind. She put them right on our bed the day that we were going to be in Glacier Bay, but we had them access to them the whole time. Now when you see a door like this, it means it's an adjoining room. So it's locked from my side so nobody can come in, but if families are traveling together, it makes it handy to share cabins. I don't usually choose that, as I keep an eye out when I'm booking it, because sometimes people make noise or bang on the door, and you just don't need that if you're traveling alone. But like I said, I didn't choose my cabin this time, and as whereas it's just me, it just doesn't even matter. And then you've got a small desk here with some drawers. Here's your makeup mirror and a hair dryer. And then these are just empty drawers to put whatever you would like in. And then over here is your sofa. And the lights, let me turn on a light here for us. Okay, so right here you can turn on this light up here, and then this little light, this little button right here turns on a little reading light, so that's a nice touch, and there are reading lights on both sides. So I think that's very nice. I'll just leave it on for now so that you can see. And then up in these cupboards up here are your life vests. So I think that this is just perfect. I like this kind of chair. It's nice, soft upholstered. A little table right here that you can move around and will be convenient to have. So let me stand over here so that you can see the room a little bit better here. It's not huge at all, but I think it's plenty big, and I'm trying to think in my mind how it compares with Princess. I think it's a little bit smaller by the time you consider that Princess has got that closet that I really do like the way they do their closets, but it is plenty big. No complaints here at all. And I'll just walk this way here so that you can see a little bit better. And then mind you, they do have, here's all of your information that we're used to having. And I like they show you how to get to, how to evacuate if you need to get down to your muster station. Then once again, here's the cabin again. Other than, yeah, you're right, you can't see out. I think that's the main drawback. See if the bathroom is the same size.
The same?
Oh yeah,
Same bathroom.
Yeah, let me, you want a picture, Cindy?
Yeah, because I can do my own.
That's true.
Yeah,
That's true. It's the same.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, everything is the same, huh? Except for no balcony.
Except for the desk is over. It's a little bit spread out.
That's
My
true.
desk is, our desk is that way.
Oh, ours is, yeah, mine too. Alright. Here, okay. So this is a single Oceanview room. So you get the bed there. And then here's your desk. Mirror. I think it's really very nice. It's got everything the others do. And then right here, the bathroom, I believe, is just the same. It is. Oops. It's just the same as it is in all the cabins. Love the big shower. Oh, I guess we get some nice shelves here. It's very nice. And then,
Yeah.
same itinerary?
Same itinerary.
Alrighty, so this is the standard Oceanview room. So it really is just like the balcony. You just don't have a balcony. But look at the nice view. You can see really well out here. I think this is lovely. You can see the glaciers really well here, or whatever it is you're looking at. So it is, it's just like your standard balcony, except for it's got that ocean view. And then let me show you the amazing, whoa, bathroom here. And here's that lovely shower. amazing. And let me show you as well. See, look at this. At every nightstand, you've got your outlet and a USB. And then look over here. Look at these outlets. Isn't that awesome? So I just wanted to show you all that.
We're on a scavenger hunt.
So this is a signature suite. So here, this is a nice sitting area. Got shelves and a full-length mirror. There's your double bed. There's your veranda. So it's a larger veranda. You can kind of see you have a nice large table, 2 loungers, 2 chairs.
And nice size balcony.
Closet space and cupboard. 2 sinks, bathtub, shower.
Yeah, it cools down.
Yeah. Very much nice. This is a Murphy's bed, so that's handy. Sleeps more.
Welcome.
So this is the Neptune Suite. Let's start here. Oh, this is lovely. A separate little powder room here with a sink. And then you've got a beautiful bathroom here. 2 sinks. And then you can exit right here into this room. Or you can exit right here. You see there's a nice full length mirror. It's made up of 2 twin beds. You've got your this is the desk. This is space.
Not that it matters, going to Alaska, I don't sit out in the balcony a lot. So this time of year is nice.
It's been very nice. Yeah, can you see okay?
Oh, yeah.
It's really nice and big. I like that there's 4 chairs at the table and 2 loungers. It's just beautiful.
So I should have